Blanketing the continent as far south as Tennessee, snow hits a near record in Canada, almost paralyzing many big cities, including Montreal. Whipped by heavy winds, the snow fell for hour upon hour in this Quebec metropolis. Throughout the Dominion, the blizzard took its toll. 50 lives were lost, and hardest hit was the area around Toronto, where 18 died from the storm. The city was virtually isolated, but he still kept up his rounds. With 22 inches on the ground, stores were closed and pedestrians set out at their own risk. Most offices were closed, and shovelers had no need for the reminder as they fought to keep a few main streets open to traffic. Frozen switches had to be thawed to keep them rolling. The worst snowstorm of this century took a heavy toll.